Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Now we will see, given a stream function, how can we know the flow is rotation or irrotational? Now first of all we have to understand what is meant by irrotationality or rotationality. Rotationality is rotation about an axis of the fluid element, that has to be understood. The video which I have done on the irrotationality is shown in the card above. You can see that. If you have to go back, and you can go and see the irrotationality, what is irrotationality, and come back. Okay. So now how is it related to stream function? Let us see. Okay. Now for rotation in two dimensions, because stream function is a two-dimensional concept. Okay. So in two dimensions, in 2D, if I say rotation is given as, in the rotation is in the z direction, if I say, is given as dou v by dou x, right, minus dou u by dou y. This is rotation. Okay. If the rotationality is not there, if it is irrotational flow, then this will go as 0. But we know that u is equal to dou psi by dou x, sorry, u is equal to dou psi by dou y, and v is equal to minus dou psi by dou x, where psi is the stream function. So let us substitute that here. So my rotational component of rotation in the z direction will come as dou by dou x into minus dou psi by dou x minus dou by dou y into plus dou psi by dou y. Okay. If it's irrotational, this goes to 0. Okay. So now this will come as dou square psi by dou x square minus, here also there is a minus, dou square psi by dou y square is equal to 0, or dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square is equal to 0. Now this equation is actually del square of psi, where this is called the Laplacian, and this particular equation is called the Laplace equation. This is called the Laplace equation. Now this is a vector function. If you say del square, what is del square in two dimension? In two dimension, del square is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. That is an operator. Okay. Dou square by dou y square. When I say dou, it means partial. Okay. Dou square of psi. This is what it means. Okay. How does that come? Del dot del. What is del? Del is dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j. Okay. And it is a vector function. Okay. So del square is a magnitude, in fact. So it will go as a scalar. So del square of psi should be equal to 0 for it to be irrotational. So a stream function satisfies stream function is a case. Stream function represents, I can say, stream function represents an irrotational flow. An irrotational flow if it satisfies Laplace equation. If it satisfies Laplace equation. Very important, has been asked in number of exams. So they'll give you a stream function and they will ask you whether the flow is rotational or irrotational. Just put it in Laplace equation, and if it satisfies the Laplace equation, then it is irrotational. If it does not satisfy, it is rotational. So I hope you have understood something, students. Thank you very much, and kindly click the bell icon, subscribe my channel, and support me in this venture. Thank you very much, students.